Here's a quick look at the E-mini S&P for Monday, February the 28th, 2011. What we're looking at here, of course, are the market profiles. This is yesterday's, this is today's, and this is what occurred overnight. So we had mentioned that if the market could get down to 12, that was really the area that we were hoping we could get long at. And as you can see, the market didn't quite make it there in the overnight session. And then rallied all the way up here to around the 26 area. It dropped just slightly when it opened here, and then did manage to come down just around basically touching on yesterday's high, and then turned around, had a nice rally to finish the day, a nice strong rally. I believe it moved up just about 10 points off of the low. So we have certainly switched to an up auction here. We knew that we had been in transition here for a couple of days. I think today really confirmed it. With the inability of the market to hold below, we had a couple of barriers at 17 and 22. It dipped below 22 during the regular trading hours. Here's 22 right here. Moved above it obviously overnight. Came down and tested it here in the regular trading hours. When the market got as low as 19 and then had a really nice run up. So I think we're still looking around the 19-20 area as support, probably around 32 is the next objective higher. So we're once again, I would say, firmly in the bullish camp on an intraday swing basis, and we'll have a preference for trading from the long side. And as a result, those are the kind of trades that we will be looking for with ideal trade entry location, probably still in around the 22 to 24 area, with 1332 is the natural target higher. We also use these market profiles, which are just the regular trading hours only, in other words, no overnight trading on that chart. As far as our trades were concerned today, it was actually we had the big run up overnight, so we didn't have much of a range. It was only, I believe, about 6 points here early in the day, and then it dipped down about 3 or so in the afternoon. You can see we only had one arrow there. Unfortunately, the market kind of gave us the old Texas two-step, getting us long here, stopping us out here, barely making a new low by just a tick, and then, of course, finishing the day with a nice run-up, which is really what we had been looking for from about the 12 area. But once the market had held above 22 for a good hunk of the period during the regular trading hours today, that really became an area that we were looking at, trying to get long. So when it came down and tested in here early in the afternoon, we were alerted to the fact that this is an area the market would likely find support, and somehow we'd want to try and get long based on that. But today was fairly light volume, so it didn't really trigger as many opportunities as it otherwise could have. But it was good to see the market turn right around and have that good move higher, and thereby confirming the up auction. And so we'll look in the 24, maybe the 20 area to try and get long. I think that would probably be good trade entry location. We have a couple of items on the news tomorrow. 10 o'clock, manufacturing index and construction spending. There's usually don't move the market all that much. So that's really it for today. Any questions or comments, don't hesitate in getting a hold of us. Here's our email right here. You can send us info@eminidaytrader.com. We always enjoy hearing from you with your comments and questions, so don't hesitate in sending something to us. Otherwise, that'll be it for today. So thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you again tomorrow.